In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable PIN to confirm payments on Facebook. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook Messenger. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. What you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. Simply scroll down. Now over here under the section for services, you'll be able to find this option for payments. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the settings options related with payments over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for PIN and biometric data. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to use the PIN or biometric data in order to confirm the payments. What you have to do is toggle on this button for use PIN to confirm payments. Now you'll have to create a PIN for yourself. Simply enter the PIN that you would like to create. Now you can see over here the option for using the PIN has been enabled. Now you can see over here the option for using the PIN has been enabled. So that is how you enable PIN to confirm payments on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.